Hey there, science fans! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of magnets. So, what exactly is a magnet? A magnet is a special kind of material that creates an invisible force around it. This force is called magnetism. Magnets are super cool because they can attract or repel other magnets. They can even attract certain types of metal, like iron. Now, there are two main types of magnets: natural and artificial. Natural magnets are found in nature, like lodestone, a type of rock that's naturally magnetic. Artificial magnets, on the other hand, are made by humans. We make them by taking materials like iron or steel and exposing them to a strong magnetic field. One of the coolest things about magnets is how they interact with each other. Magnets have two poles, a north pole and a south pole. Here's the deal: opposite poles attract. That means when you bring the north pole of one magnet close to the south pole of another, they'll stick together. But watch out, like poles repel. So, if you try to bring two north poles or two south poles together, they'll push each other away. It's like an invisible force field. Magnets don't attract everything, though. They only attract certain materials called magnetic materials. The most common magnetic material is iron. That's why magnets stick to your refrigerator. Steel is another magnetic material because it's mostly made of iron. But lots of things aren't magnetic. These materials are called non-magnetic materials. Wood, plastic, glass, and rubber are all examples of non-magnetic materials. Magnets won't stick to them no matter how hard you try. Section 4. Magnetic fields. The invisible force. Remember that invisible force we talked about? That's the magnetic field. It's the area around a magnet where its magnetic force can be felt. You can't see the magnetic field, but you can see its effects. Think of it like this. Imagine a magnet as a tiny superhero with an invisible force field around it. That force field is the magnetic field. It's what allows magnets to attract or repel other magnets and magnetic materials. Section 5. Magnets in action. From your fridge to high-speed trains. Magnets are everywhere, even if you don't see them. They're in your refrigerator, holding up your artwork and your shopping list. They're in your headphones, helping to create sound. And they're even in your computer and your phone. But that's not all. Magnets are used in all sorts of amazing technology. Hospitals use powerful magnets for MRI machines, which take pictures inside your body. And some high-speed trains, called maglev trains, use magnets to float above the track, allowing them to travel super fast.